Hi friends, in this particular video I am giving you a brief idea about how to rotate a set of 16-bit numbers into left side. Okay, let us see how to write the program. Okay. Here see the assembly language programming of 8086. So in that what is our aim? Write an assembly language program to perform rotation of set of 16-bit numbers, nothing but an array of 16-bit numbers into left side for 4 bits, starts from 3000H and move the result into 4000H. So we should rotate a set of 16-bit numbers into left side for 4 bits. Not only 4, if you want we can change count also. Okay, for this program let us see for 4 bits. I will tell you where number of bits we can change count also. Okay, now in this particular case, for simplicity, I am taking three 16-bit numbers. One is 1020H, other is 3040H, then other is 5060H. Like that, I am taking three 16-bit numbers. So what is count here? 03. Like that, we can select any number of 16-bit numbers. So in this case, in this example, I am taking three 16-bit numbers. So my count is 3. So in order to select this count, we need one memory location. So for selecting count, I am using 2000H memory location. Okay, in that 2000 location, I'm selecting my count is 03. Then I can select three 16-bit numbers. Then I can rotate those three 16-bit numbers into left side for 4 bits. Okay, so let us see first 1020H. If you rotate it into left side, what happens? 1020H. So you know already every xi is equivalent to 4 binaries. So for this one, what is equivalent binary? 3 zeros, 1. Similarly, for this 0 equivalent binary is 4 zeros. For this 2 equivalent binary 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Similarly, for this 0 also 4 zeros. Like that, this is the 16-bit representation of 1020H. Now, if you rotate this particular 16-bit number into left side, in which way? In which way we can rotate? So, if you rotate this particular 16-bit number into left side, if you rotate first bit, then this is actually MSB bit. This is LSB. So if you rotate this number into left side, then this MSB will comes into LSB side. Okay, so for first bit rotation, what happens? This 0, this MSB bit comes to LSB position, and remaining bits will be shifted 1 bit position into left side. See, this MSB bit comes to LSB position, and remaining bits will be adjusted 1 bit into left side. In that case, what happens? Actually, originally 1 here. If you rotate it into left side, what happens? Then this one comes to this side. So that's why this. Similarly, this one also comes to this side. Like that, not only these two ones, all the remaining all the bits will be rotated 1 bit position into left side. This is for a 1 bit rotation into left side. Another bit rotated, another one more bit rotation. If we consider, then this 0 comes to this side. Remaining bits will be rotated into left side in same manner. At that particular time, what happens? This one comes to next to left side position. Similarly, this one comes to next to left side position. This is second bit rotation. If this third bit rotation, what happens? This 0 MSB bit comes to LSB position. Remaining bits will be rotating 1 bit into left side. Then this is one shifted to next position. This one also shifted to next position. Like this. Now this is third bit rotation. If this fourth bit rotation, what happens? This one MSB bit comes to LSB side. Remaining bits will be rotating 1 bit position into left side. Then this one comes to this side. Like that, we are rotating 16-bit number into 4 bits left side. Not only 4 bits. If you consider 6 bits, then again repeat same steps. Okay, then this 0 comes to next LSB position, and remaining bits will be rotated into left side. Like that, not only 4, we can go with n number of bit movements rotation in similar manner. So after rotating 4 bits into left side, what is the result? 4 zeros, equivalent xi is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, equivalent xi is 2. Okay, 4 zeros, equivalent xi is 0, then 3 zeros, 1, equivalent xi is 1. So what is total result? If you rotate 1020H into 4 bits left side, so 0 to 0, 1 means lower byte is 0, 1, higher byte is 0, 2. Okay. Like that, we get the result. Similarly, if you take 3040, if you rotate it 4 bits left side, what happens? Indirectly, what happens? This 1 comes to lower side. Remaining bits, four because it's a 4-bit rotation. Remaining bits will be moved to left side. Then this one comes to 0 position. 0 comes to 2's position. 2 comes to 0's position. This 0 comes to 1's position. Then what is the result after rotating? So 1 comes to 0's position means 0, 1 is the lower byte. Okay, 02 is the higher byte, like that. Similarly here 30403 comes to lower position, 04 comes to higher byte. Then what is the result now? 04 is the higher byte and 03 will be the lower byte. Similarly here 05 will be the lower byte and 06 will be the higher byte. Like that we can observe the rotation of 16-bit number into n number of bits. Okay. So now here how many locations are required, because I am taking three 16-bit numbers. So I need 6 locations because each memory location can store only 8 bits. So because of three 16-bit numbers, total 6 bytes are there. So I need 3 locations. What is the starting 3000 and what is the ending 3005. So remember, for every time we should write lower byte followed by higher byte. For first number 1020H, what is lower byte? 20, higher byte 10. For second also lower byte is 40, higher byte is 30. Third 16-bit number also lower byte is 60, higher byte is 50. Like that we are giving three 16-bit numbers. Okay. Right. What is the next step after giving the numbers? What is the result? Where we get 4000 to 4005. What is the result? Lower byte result is 01 for first case. 02 will be the higher byte. Similarly, for other two 16-bit numbers also, what is the lower byte? 0304 for first second 16-bit number. Third 16-bit number 0506 will be occurred in a similar manner. So let us verify these results, okay, in programming part. So again minimize. Okay, go to DOS box. Then select mount, MOUNT, mount space D colon slash, then D colon again, then CD space 8086 MASM folder 8086, then edit. In order to maximize, alt enter. What is first step here? So many important points are considered for writing program here. Okay, so code segment. Okay, then assume directive CS colon code. It makes 16-bit logical into 20-bit physical. Start of the START start. Then okay, these three are like a headers for writing our program. Then exclusion for requirement of any register, we need to clear first general purpose registers. So XOR AX, AX means my AX is clear. Okay, here I need BL also. That's why I'm clearing BL. Move BL comma AL. So AL clear, AH clear, BL clear. I need CL also for count purpose. Move CL comma AL. So CL is also clear. Okay, first we should select a count. Okay, how many 16-bit numbers we should rotate. For that, where we need to select count in 2000. For that, I'm writing move space SI comma 2000 H. So now here I'm not taking CL register, because for this particular rotation, even for shifting also, we should consider CL for count purpose only. Means how many bits we are rotating or how many bits we are shifting. For that purpose only we are using CL. That's why I'm using BL for count for BL for number of word selection. So how many words we need to rotate. For that I'm taking BL. Move BL comma box of SI. So what is BL? BL takes the 8-bit data from 2000 location. So which data we are selecting, how many words or how many 16-bit numbers we should rotate. That count is present in BL. Okay. So now count selection is okay. How many 16-bit numbers we should select. Then what is next step? We should select locations for selecting the 16-bit numbers. Move SI comma 3000 for H for selecting the 16-bit numbers, and for result we are selecting 4000. Move DA comma 4000 H. Okay. Next, initially we should move number of bits rotation is 4, right? As per our problem 4. So that's why I'm moving CL with 04H. Okay. This CL is now indicating as how many bits we are rotating. So how many bits we are rotating? 4 bits. That information will be loaded in CL. Whereas BL giving information about how many set of 16-bit numbers we are considering. Number of 16-bit set of numbers present in BL. How many bits we are moving for each 16-bit number is present in CL. Okay. Then what is first step? Move AX comma box of SI. In this example, what happens? My AX takes data from 3000 and 3001. Nothing but first 16-bit number is available in AX. Okay. Then what is my next step? I need to rotate this particular 16-bit number into left side for how many bits? 4 bits. So AX is now rotating left side for 4 bits because my CL is 04. So because of this instruction, what happens? Because of size of CL is 4, so my AX is rotating 4 bits into left side. So result is available in AX. So where I need to print the result into DI. For that, move box of DI, comma AX. AX contains after rotating we get result in AX. That result is now moved to 4000 and 4001. Like that we are completely rotating 116-bit number into 4 bits left side. Like that, how many 16-bit numbers I need to rotate in similar manner? 2 more in my example. For that, add. Why I am writing add? Because it's a 16-bit number. So where I am getting another 16-bit number starts from 3002. For that, add si comma 0. Where I need to move the result starts from 4002, because 4000 and 4001 for first 16-bit result. Next 16-bit results present in 4002 and 4003. For that, add di comma 02h. Then so selection, now si is now 3002, di is now 4002. Then now I need to perform same operation. For that, I need to decrement my count, because one operation is over. One 16-bit rotation is over. Then we go for 2 more operations only. For that, decrement which one? BL. We decrement BL, and then what is BL initially? For example, BL is 3. After decrementing BL, what is BL now? 2. Is it 0, 0? No, we need to check. So jump no 0. If BL is not 0, then what happens? It will go here. Then again, what happens? My AX takes data from 3002. Okay, then that particular data is rotating 4 bits left, we get result. That result will be moved to 4002 and 4003. Then again SI is incrementing. What is SI now? 3004. DA 4004. Then BL is incrementing. What is BL? 2 becomes 1. Is it 0, 0? No, again it will go. Like that, this loop repeats for how many times? 3 times. Because if you select BL 3 in 2000 location. Okay. And final results are present in the corresponding location. Then what is next step? Int 3, end of the program. Then later, code ends, then end start. Okay, here you remember for this particular rotation as well as shift program, every time the count, how many bits we are shifting or how many bits we are rotating, for that purpose we use only CL register, no other register is accepting. Okay, for selection of bytes, how many or selection of array, we can use any register, not only CL. Okay, in general for this case we can use any register other than CL for this particular case. But for number of bits movement, always we use CL. Okay, CL is very essentially. Other than CL, if you write, it won't execute. Remember. Now save. What is file here? It is now ROL 2.asm. Okay, ROL rotate left. Okay, so 16-bit. For that I am writing 2. Saving is over. Then exit masm ROL 2.asm. Okay, masm space file name .asm. Now my file name is ROL2. 4 times enter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then link ROL.obj. 4 times enter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then debug ROL2.exe. Okay, I think in somewhere in link I considered only one. So first again I will go masm. What is file name? ROL2.asm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then link ROL2.obj, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then debug ROL2.exe. Okay, then G equal to 4 zeros. What is first step? We should select count in 2000 location. So E space 2000. So which value I need to select? 0, 3. Okay, then where I need to give 3 16-bit number starts from 3000. That's why E space 3000. Here which values I need to give? So what is my problem? 1020. So lower byte is 20, higher byte is 10. Then 3040. Lower byte is 40, higher byte is 30. Then 5060. Lower byte is 60, then higher byte is 50. Like that I am giving 3 16-bit numbers. Then rotate. Then run again. G equal to 4 zeros. So where I need to see the result starts from 4000 comma 4005 contains rotation results. Here what is the result? 01, 02, 03, 04, 05 and 06. Is it correct or not? Like that we are rotating 16-bit number, set of 16-bit numbers into left side for 4 bits. Okay. In order to exit, quit, then exit. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like, please kindly share this particular video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.